Hello guys, welcome to fixitsamo channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to convert your electronics from using a battery power source to a USB connection. This project will make you save a lot on batteries and it's very easy to do. Plus it will give you consistent voltage, especially if you're using it to light up some LED lights. And because the USB output is 5 volts, this project will work only on electronics that uses 3 batteries of 1.5 volt each. So our first step is to identify which side is the positive and which side is the negative. Then we're gonna remove the batteries and we're gonna use the drill to make a hole for our USB cable. The next step is to strip the USB cable. As you can see, we have 4 wires. We only need to keep the red and black ones. I will connect the black wire on the negative side and the red wire on the positive side. And make sure to place your wires correctly after soldering and then secure them with a plastic glue. By the way guys, a very important reminder, because this box can still be powered by batteries, just make sure not to put batteries and plug the USB at the same time. You will have an overcharge and it's gonna burn the LED lights. And now the project is complete, it's time to test it. As you guys can see, it's working perfectly without any problems. And check this out guys, no more batteries, no more wasting money on batteries. It's a perfect project, it will save you tons of money. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and fix it Samo, and we'll see you next time.